In this video, we're going to explore package management using apt, also known as the Advanced Package tool. This is your guide to installing and managing software packages on Debian and Ubuntu-based systems. We'll cover the essentials: how to install, update, search for, and remove packages, ensuring your system is well-maintained and up-to-date. What exactly is apt? apt stands for Advanced Package Tool, a powerful command line utility designed to simplify the process of managing packages on Debian, Ubuntu, and other similar Linux distributions. Some of the key features are simplified package management, which means installing, updating, and removing software becomes straightforward. Dependency resolution: apt automatically handles dependencies, ensuring that all required components are installed correctly. Repository management: it manages software sources, allowing you to install packages from various repositories. System upgrades: apt makes it easy to upgrade your entire system to the latest version. Here's a visual representation of how apt works, centering around package management with functionalities like install, update, remove, and search, all integrated through the apt tool. What's the difference between apt and apt-get? Although they sound similar, apt is a newer, more user-friendly interface compared to the traditional apt-get. apt offers a modern, user-friendly experience with features like progress bars and colored output, making it easier to understand what's happening. It uses a simplified command structure designed for end users. While apt-get is a traditional command line tool that provides a stable interface for scripts and more low-level options, making it better for automation. Consider these examples to get a better grasp of it. For apt, you might use commands like apt-update, apt-install Firefox, and apt-remove Firefox. On the other hand, with apt-get, the commands would be apt-get update, apt-get install Firefox, and apt-get remove Firefox. So, although both achieve similar tasks, apt offers a more streamlined and visually appealing experience for everyday use, while apt-get remains a reliable option for scripting and advanced tasks. Before you dive into installing or upgrading packages, it's essential to update your package lists. This process ensures that your system has the latest information about available packages from the configured repositories. Here is why it is important to update the package lists. Updating the package lists involves several key steps. First, the system connects to the configured repositories. Second, it downloads package information. Third, it updates the local package database, and lastly, it checks for available upgrades. It is highly recommended to run this update before any package operations to ensure you're working with the most current information. To update your package lists, simply use the command sudo apt-update. Here is a sample output you might see, which includes details like hit indicating successful connections to repositories, get indicating downloading of new information, and finally a message confirming that all packages are up to date. You should run this command regularly to keep your system up to date. Now let's explore how to install packages using apt. This is a fundamental operation for adding new software to your system. To install a package, use the command sudo apt-install package name. This command installs the specified package, along with all its dependencies from the repositories. There are also some common options that can be very helpful. For example, the Y option automatically says yes to prompts, streamlining the installation process. The No install recommends option skips recommended packages, useful for minimal installations. The S option enables simulation mode, showing you what would be installed without actually making any changes. And the reinstall option reinstalls a package, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. Here are some practical examples of how to use these commands. To install a single package such as Firefox, you would use the command sudo apt-install Firefox. To install multiple packages such as git, vim, and curl, use sudo apt-install git vim curl. To install a package with automatic confirmation, such as notages, the command would be sudo apt-install ynotages. To reinstall a package like Python 3, the command is sudo apt install, reinstall Python 3. When you're not sure about the exact name of a package, or you're exploring available options, searching for packages becomes essential. apt provides powerful tools to help you find the software you need. To search for packages, you can use the command apt-get search term. This searches for packages by both name and description, helping you find relevant matches. Another option is to use the command apt-get search term, which offers a more detailed search with additional options. Once you find a package, you can use apt-show package name, which displays detailed information about the package including its version, description, dependencies, and more. Here's a pro tip that will make your searches even more efficient. You can use grep to filter search results. For example, if you want to find Python packages related to image processing, you can use the command apt-search python pipe-grep -i image. This command searches for Python packages and filters the results to show only those containing the word image. Here is a sample search output that we can see. It shows the package name, version, and a brief description. apt-show Python 3 command and its output, including the package version, priority, section, maintainer, and description. When a package is no longer needed, it's important to know how to properly remove it from your system. apt provides several options for removing packages, each with slightly different effects. The most basic command is sudo apt remove package name, which removes the package but keeps its configuration files. This can be useful if you plan to reinstall the package later and want to preserve your settings. To completely remove a package including its configuration files, you can use sudo apt purge package name. This ensures that all traces of the package are removed from your system. In addition to removing packages, apt also provides tools for cleaning up your system. Sudo apt auto remove removes automatically installed packages that are no longer needed by any installed software. This helps keep your system clean and free of unnecessary files. Sudo apt clean removes all downloaded package files from the local cache, freeing up disk space. Be careful when removing packages, especially system packages. Always check what will be removed before confirming, to avoid accidentally removing essential components. Here is a comparison of removal options in a table format. The command apt-remove removes the package files, keeps configuration, and keeps dependencies. The command apt-purge removes the package files, removes configuration, and keeps dependencies. The command apt-auto-remove removes unused package files, keeps configuration, and removes unused dependencies. The command apt-purge double-auto-remove removes package files, removes configuration, and removes unused dependencies. This example shows sudo apt-purge double-auto-remove Nginx, which completely removes Nginx, its configuration files, and any unused dependencies. Keeping your packages up to date is crucial for maintaining system security and stability. apt provides commands to easily upgrade installed packages to their latest versions. The command sudo apt-upgrade upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions, but will not remove packages or install new dependencies. This is a safe option for most users. If you need to handle changing dependencies, you can use sudo apt full upgrade. This command upgrades packages and handles changing dependencies, removing or installing packages if necessary. To upgrade a specific package, you can use sudo apt install double-only-upgrade package name. This command upgrades only the specified package to its latest version, leaving others untouched. Use apt-list double-upgradable to see which packages can be upgraded before running an upgrade. Here is a recommended upgrade workflow. First, update package information from repositories using sudo apt-update. Second, check which packages can be upgraded using apt-list double-upgradable. Third, upgrade all packages using sudo apt-upgrade-y. And fourth, remove unnecessary packages using sudo apt-auto-remove. For a full system upgrade combining the update and full upgrade steps, you can use the command sudo apt-update sudo apt-full-upgrade-y. Repositories are servers containing packages that can be installed on your system. Managing these repositories is an important aspect of package management. Ubuntu uses several official repositories including Main, which is the canonical supported free and open source software. Universe is community-maintained free and open source software. Restricted, which contains proprietary drivers for devices. And Multiverse, which is software restricted by copyright or legal issues. To add a repository, use the command sudo add apt repository, ppa:/user/repo name. This adds a personal package archive, also known as a PPA repository. After adding a repository, it's essential to update the package list using the command sudo apt-update. This ensures that your system knows about the new packages available in the added repository. Only add repositories from trusted sources, because third-party repositories can potentially contain malicious software. Repository information is stored in the file /etc/app/sources.list and in the directory /etc/app/sources.list.d. The first one is the single file, and the second one is the directory containing multiple files. Here is an example sources.list file. Note the comments and the repo lines. Deb, options repository URL distribution component 1, component 2, and so on. To remove a repository, you can use the command sudo add apt repository --remove ppa:/user/repo name. To ensure your system remains stable, secure, and well-maintained, it's important to follow best practices for package management. Here are some key recommendations. Regularly run apt-update and apt-upgrade to keep your system secure. Before installing anything, check what will be installed with apt-install-s, that is simulation mode. Use apt-auto-remove and apt-clean periodically to free up disk space. Only add repositories from trusted sources. And create system snapshots before major upgrades to back up your data. In summary, the apt package manager provides a powerful and user-friendly way to manage software on Debian-based systems. Understanding its basic commands will help you maintain a healthy, up-to-date Linux system. Here is a quick reference of common commands that we discussed. To update and upgrade, use sudo apt-update sudo apt-upgrade-y. To install a package, use sudo apt-install package name. To search for a package, use apt-search keyword. To remove a package, use sudo apt-remove package name. For system maintenance, use sudo apt-auto-remove sudo apt-clean. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.